I'm a former nuclear power electrician with 17 years in residential HVAC field service. I've installed, diagnosed, and repaired many packaged gas units sitting outside homes. Today we're taking a straight talk look at two entry-level models. The American Standard Silver 13.4 Model 4 YCY5 and the Allied RPGE13. On paper, both sit in the basic category and promise to handle your home's heating and cooling in a single outdoor cabinet. There are a few practical differences you need to know before handing over your credit card. They both run at an 81% AFUE heating efficiency and a 13.4 SEER rating. For every dollar you spend on gas, about 81 cents turns into warmth, while the remaining 19 cents goes right out the flue pipe. The 13.4 SEER rating tells us the cooling side meets current standard efficiency on electricity. Neither unit will slash your electric bill in half compared to a modern high-tier variable system, but both provide solid, dependable output. Where these two models split apart comes down to warranty terms, cabinet construction, and dealer access. American Standard backs the 4YCY5 with a 10-year parts and compressor warranty and limits the heat exchanger warranty to 20 years. Allied matches that 10-year parts and compressor coverage, but steps up to a prorated lifetime warranty on the gas heat exchanger. The heat exchanger is the steel heart of your heating system, and if it cracks, gas fumes can get into your airstream, making the whole unit dead unless it is covered. Having a lifetime warranty on that component gives Allied a slight edge in long-term structural protection. Both cabinets feature heavy-gauge steel with louvered coil guards which shield the delicate aluminum cooling fins. Those louvered metal slats protect against hail-flying gravel and kids playing in the yard. Lower-end models without louvered guards leave fins exposed, leading to bent metal and choked airflow over time. A standard efficiency unit installed cleanly with proper airflow will outlast a top-tier system that was put in sloppy or never cleaned. Both manufacturers require an authorized dealer to purchase and handle warranty claims, making your choice of contractor critical. Both brands supply equipment through wholesale contractor networks, requiring a licensed dealer login to see wholesale pricing or place an order. American Standard Silver Series installed quotes generally fall between $3,500 and $8,000, depending on tonnage location and duct modifications. Allied systems are typically bid competitively through wholesale channels to offer a slightly lower barrier to entry on the initial quote. American Standard is a great choice for homeowners who want established brand equity, proven factory quality control, and widespread local contractor support. Allied is ideal for budget-conscious buyers who want the same performance, lower upfront equipment costs, and a pro-rated lifetime heat exchanger warranty. If it were my house and I was choosing between these two basic models, I would lean toward the Allied RPGE13. The identical operating efficiency, louvered coil protection, lower wholesale equipment costs, and longer heat exchanger coverage give it a slight edge in ownership value.